All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the color workspaces. So let's jump into After Effects and go to Window and Workspaces and click on Color. Okay. So with color, and it's already selected. So with color, what you can see here is we have lumetri scopes, we have animation white solid over there, and then down here we have the effects and presets. So we have animation presets, 3D channel, audio, blur and sharpen, Boris FX Mocha channel, Cinema 4D, color correction, distort, expression controls, generate, immersive video, keen, matte, noise and grain, obsolete, perspective, simulation, stylized, text, time, transition, and utility. Okay, and then if I go up to the window and I look at the panels that are already active, so we have effects and presets, info, libraries, preview tools, and lumetri scopes. Those are all the default panels that are open for the color workspace. Okay, so with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.